Hey lads, it's Danny here today, and in today's video we're going to take a look at how to prove the dot product, right, from linear algebra. So this is a very straightforward proof. I'll show you how to do it. So let's get right into it. So what you are going to need to do is you are going to need to create yourself a graph, basically. So you are going to draw yourself a graph, and you're going to draw a vector line, and you're going to call it V, vector V, right? And you're then going to do another line connected to the head of this vector, right? An arrow pointing straight downwards. We're going to call this u minus v vector. And likewise, the resultant vector would be the u vector, which starts from the origin and then connects its way to the head of this vector, right? Once you have created this triangle with angle of theta, we are then going to use the cosine law from trigonometry, right? And which states which this is the cosine law. Our c value is basically going to be u minus v vector. Our a value is going to be u. Our b vector is going to be v, and our angle c, which this corresponds to the angle, is going to be theta. So we're going to replace that into this equation. As you are going to see, this is how the equation can be rewritten as. Notice these two lines that are two parallel lines on either side, they replace the bracket, are basically the magnitude lines. We can only apply this to magnitudes, therefore we have to take the magnitude and we can represent it as a magnitude. So the vector, this is basically the magnitude of the u minus v vector, right? So once you have gotten it in this stage, you are going to have to expand the left hand side. What do I mean by that is we can basically rewrite this as the following. And once it's rewritten like this, we can basically multiply using FOIL the components. So you are going to have something that looks like this. We can rewrite this as the following. So you can simplify this further and you can rewrite it as the magnitude of u squared, right, minus 2 u dotted with v plus the magnitude of v squared. So once you have written it like this, straight away what you are going to notice is some values here cancel out. The u magnitude vector basically cancels out, and the v as well. So basically you're left with this, and notice the -2 is going to cancel out. What you're really going to be left with is the dot product formula, and that's how you prove it, lads. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.